Hey everyone, today we will be going over post-order traversal in a balanced tree, and without any further hesitation, let's get started. And now we are going over post-order. So post-order traversal, again, we're going to apply the same principle that we did before. So we'll just void post-order node for the root, and then if we're at the root, post-order root at the left, post order at the right, and then count root key right here. There we go. And now we're going to do the exact same thing we did before. Make sure you spell everything correctly. Post order, ABL, post order. There we go. Make sure it's all corrected right here. Sorry, post order right here, post order down here. Yep, that is correct. That is correct. So we have post order already set, so we have pre-order. Post order function is already set up in place. We see 10, 30, and 20. That's good. 10, 30, and 20. That is the nature of the post order. It goes directly based on the levels, really. Left, right, and then to the root. Works its way up. Pre-order focuses on the root, leftmost, rightmost, and in order it goes from left, root, all the way up to the root, and then to the far right. And so yeah, that was post order. Now let's head over to breadth first search. Right here.
Hey everyone, thank you very much for taking time to watch this. If you found this video helpful, be sure and feel free to please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, please put them in the comment section. And as always, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.